REVB stock analysis. This is for tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether Revelation Biosciences stock is a buy or not for me, with 11% increase in price. Look, I've done this for 5 years, you know. I've done 41,000 videos and documented all of my 41,000 videos on my YouTube channel. It's all there. And then ultimately, as I'm just looking at REVB, this is just like a decent bearish market. I'm not saying this in a way to just kind of talk crap about it, but like, let's get rid of this stuff. I'll mark down the lows. This is the gap, right? And the only thing that will matter, I mean, not matter, but the only thing that I'm seeing now is that the likelihood that the price keeps melting down is quite high. So I'm not going to immediately sell, but if there's some sort of like a double break, I mean, there's really just an environment that I'm looking to trade, honestly. Like, because what the hell is this? I don't like it. I don't like it at all. That's for just a bearish market for me. If you do want to learn how I'm making 5 10K per trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails and insights.